Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a suitcase. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the specific problem. Is it just a few bent teeth, or has the slider completely come off the track? Identifying the exact issue will guide your repair process. You will need a few basic tools, like a pair of needle nose pliers, a new zipper slider if needed, and a small amount of lubricant. Many zipper problems can be solved with simple adjustments. If you notice bent teeth, use your needle nose pliers to gently straighten them, one by one. Next, apply a thin layer of lubricant, such as a graphite pencil or a bar of wax, along the zipper teeth. This helps the slider move more smoothly. For a loose slider, gently squeeze its bottom and top plates with your pliers to tighten its grip on the teeth. When the slider itself is the problem, replacing it is often the best solution. Begin by carefully cutting or prying open the metal stopper at one end of the zipper track. Remove the old, damaged slider. Then, slide the new zipper pull onto the teeth from the end where you removed the stopper. Finally, secure the new slider by crimping a new metal stopper or by sewing a small fabric stopper in place. After completing your repair, it is crucial to test the zipper thoroughly. Open and close it several times, ensuring the slider glides smoothly along the track without any snags or resistance. For long-term maintenance, regularly clean your suitcase zippers with a small brush to remove dirt and debris. Applying a light lubricant every few months will also help prevent future issues and extend the life of your luggage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.